75 degrees, dew point 72, relative humidity. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for East Central Carroll County in northwestern Georgia, Douglas County in north central Georgia, north central Coweta County in west central Georgia, southwestern Fulton County in north central Georgia, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Chattahoochee Hills, or 12 miles north of Newnan, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Douglasville, Villarica, Palmetto, Chattahoochee Hills, Byers Crossroads, Henna, Chapel Hill, Bill Arp, Fairplay, Dunaway Gardens, Winston, Lakeville du March, Campbellton, and Roscoe. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 6 p.m. in Atlanta, light rain was falling.